Research Rocks. It's me Sangram, you watching Research Rocks. In today's video we will see detailed demonstration how to recover data from memory card and how to recover data from your external pen drive. I will provide you detailed demonstration using two different storage. One is a pen drive, second one is a memory card. One of the best software, how to install and how many features, what exactly price of this software. We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start as a laptop screen. So let's start as a demonstration. Simply open here, new tab, and just put it this particular link. I already put it this link in same video description and enter. So look at this software name is a Tenorshare for DDIG. Currently I am accessing on Mac, but you can do same process of Windows and Linux operating system also. If you are purchasing today, the price is 30% off using this code. I just simply download this one and I will show you how much the prices here. Some prices also available the software here. 1 month $55.90, 1 year $69, and lifetime license $119. I purchased this one lifetime option for the one computer system of mine, so I can use entire my life and recover data if I am failure. After finish the download, you just simply click here twice and just simply drag and drop. I already installed, but you can do same process for the installation point of view, and we can see a little bit here. You can recover like a document, PDF, movies, PDF file, or your message, songs. So many options are available for the data recovery using the Tenorshare or DDIG. Now I just simply open the software here. So this is a software framework. As I say, I recover data from memory card and my external pen drive. So first of all, I connect here memory card, 64 gigabytes external memory card. So we can refresh here. So my memory card are showing here display. Wait couple of seconds. So look at this, here is my memory card. I just simply click here and scan. So scanning is going on, scanning running time. Deleted 11 file, existing 10 file, lost location is 206, and raw file and some other files also available. Fast scan, data are recovered ongoing, so 0.0%. If you want recover just only small amount of files, so you can see here how much data recovered. So here 11 files are available like this. Here look at this, here some 8 gigabytes, some other JPG related files are available here. Because of I am using this memory card on my DSLR, so entire data are recovered very easily. You can wait here 100% till 100%, and then you can very easily recover. Entire deep scanning is going on, so maybe take time around half an hour, depend upon your memory card size. So my memory card size is around 64 gigabyte. Now the item found 6.7 gigabytes and 1000 files are recovered or found. I just simply pause now. You just consider my 100% is done, and after pause you just simply select here. I recover entire data, recover. So the software are asking me location, so I just select here on my desktop location. So look at this, all images are recover and restore my desktop location. All images size around 6.11 gigabytes. Some of videos also available on this pen drive. Now the software are recover 6 gigabytes, so wait couple of minutes. So 100% is done, recover completed. I just simply open here. So look at this here, deleted file, existing file, lost location, raw files and tag file. So deleted file, I select the deleted file. Those are deleted file, existing file and some lost file, depend upon your location. Raw file, some MP3, MP4 files. I already deleted those files and my data are not recovered. Even 0.01% data size is 6 gigabytes. It's really amazing. Now time to recover same as it is on pen drive. So I just remove my external memory card simply. Now remove, again go back home. Yes, so my pen drive is coming here. Sync. Currently my pen drive is totally empty. Look at this, free 62 gigabytes. But we can see recover, simply scan. Deleted file is 253, wait couple of seconds, 631 item found, and those item space around like 12.56 gigabyte. Now I'm not scanning entire 100%. I just simply pause here and simply recover just only deleted file here. So we can see 12 gigabytes, same as it is on desktop location, and again wait couple of minutes. So look at this here, entire data is recovered here around 12.18 gigabytes. So I just simply open here, open deleted file. Normally use this pen drive just only movie copy and connected my television. So look at this, entire movies are downloadable here. So we can play as a simply one of movie. So look at this, the picture are very easily recovered and even play also. The second one, safe house. So look at this, the entire movie is download and you can play this movie very easily. Using this software you can recover your entire data around 1 year ago also. Now I am not scan entire 100%, I just simply scan 0.001%, and using this small amount of percentage I am recovered 12.18 gigabytes. So you can use this software and recover your entire data, no matter which types of external hard drive you are using or internal or some another pen drive or memory card. It's very simple tips and tricks. Hope you like this video how to recover data. So please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Don't miss upcoming tech related videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.